Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Real English Podcast. I'm Emily, and I'm very happy you are here today.
Hi, friends. I'm Victor. Thank you for spending your time with us.
This podcast is a calm place to learn English,
A friendly place.
a place where mistakes are welcome.
Yes, mistakes help us learn.
If this is your first time listening, welcome.
And if you enjoy slow and clear English, please like this episode.
Subscribe to the channel.
And turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lesson.
Today, we are talking about motivation,
Motivation in learning English.
how to keep going when English feels hard,
How to continue when you feel tired or slow.
and how to enjoy learning English step by step.
Before we begin, take a deep breath.
Relax your body.
You are doing something good for yourself.
Learning English is not easy.
And that is okay.
It is normal to feel tired.
It is normal to feel slow.
It is normal to feel frustrated.
Every language learner feels this.
You are not alone.
Let's say this together.
Learning English takes time.
Repeat after Emily.
Learning English takes time.
Good job.
Say it one more time.
Learning English takes time.
Very good.
Now, let's talk about your reason.
Your reason is why you learn English.
Everyone has a different reason.
Some people learn English for work.
Some learn for travel.
Some learn to talk with friends.
Some learn because they enjoy it.
All reasons are good.
Your reason helps you stay motivated.
When you feel tired, remember your reason.
Let's share examples.
My reason is work.
I want to speak English at my job.
My reason is travel.
I want to talk to people in new countries.
Now it's your turn.
Why do you learn English?
Think about your answer.
Say it quietly.
Or say it out loud.
Your reason matters.
Another tip is to make learning easy.
Do not wait for perfect time.
Do not wait for perfect energy.
Make English easy to start.
Put English in your daily life.
For example, change your phone language to English.
Read simple English messages.
Listen to English while cooking.
English should be part of your day, not something special.
Now let's talk about kindness.
Be kind to yourself.
Do not say, I am bad at English.
Do not say, I am too slow.
Instead, say this, I am learning.
Repeat.
I am learning.
Good job.
Say this, I am trying.
Repeat.
I am trying.
Very good.
Say this, I am improving.
Repeat.
I am improving.
Yes, you are.
Now let's talk about small wins.
Small wins are very important.
Did you listen to English today?
That is a win.
Did you learn one new word?
That is a win.
Did you try even for 1 minute?
That is a win too.
Celebrate small wins.
Smile.
Say good job to yourself.
Because you deserve it.
Now we will speak with slightly longer sentences.
Still slow.
Still clear.
Many learners ask, am I improving?
Sometimes progress feels invisible,
But progress is happening.
even when you don't feel it.
One way to see progress is writing.
Write 1 sentence a day.
For example, today I listened to an English podcast.
After 1 week, read again.
You will see improvement.
Another way is recording your voice.
Use your phone.
Say a simple sentence. Hello, my name is Anna. I am learning English.
Record again next week.
Listen and compare.
You will hear progress.
Another sign of progress is understanding.
Understanding one sentence without translating.
Understanding a short video.
These are big wins.
Now let's talk about mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Mistakes help you grow,
When children learn to walk, they fall.
but they stand up again.
You are doing the same with English.
Speak even if you are not sure.
Practice even if you feel nervous.
You are brave.
Now let's make learning fun.
You can listen to music in English.
Watch short videos.
Talk to yourself in English.
For example, my quick breakfast is a banana.
This is real English.
Real English is simple.
Simple English is powerful.
Now let's talk about the future.
English opens doors.
English connects people.
You can meet new friends.
You can work with people from other countries.
You can travel with confidence.
English gives you freedom.
Learning slowly is okay.
Every step matters.
You have reached the end of today's episode.
That is a big achievement.
Today, we talked about motivation,
Small steps.
being kind to yourself.
And continuing even on hard days.
Learning English is a journey.
Not a race.
We are proud of you.
Before we finish, we have a question.
Tell us in the comments, what is the first thing you do in the morning?
And do you practice English in the morning or at night?
We want to hear from you.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you next time.
Keep listening
Keep practicing.
and keep believing in yourself.